Learning to ride a motorcycle is super easy, and if it's something you've always wanted to do, there's no better time to learn than the new year. It's so easy, I'm going to teach you how to do it right now. No tricks, just some simple steps anyone can follow to learn to ride a motorcycle in 2024. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Before getting on the bike, make sure you're fully geared up from head to toe, including a helmet, gloves, motorcycle jacket, and over-the-ankle boots. Now that we're geared up, give your bike a once-over. Check your controls, electrics, fluids, drivetrain, and your tires, making sure everything looks ready to go. If you're ever unsure, check your owner's manual. Knowing our machine is ready to ride, next we can swing our leg over the seat, kind of like a cowboy getting on a horse. Yee-haw! With your butt in the saddle, now you're ready to turn the key and start the engine. Sometimes you need to put the kickstand up and squeeze the clutch in to get it started. Once the bike is running, you can take hold of your handlebars and prepare to start moving. Imagine you're holding a cute kitten or a giant ice cream cone. Keep a firm yet relaxed grip and don't squeeze the kitten too tight. With our hands on the handlebars, it's time to find the clutch. The clutch is the special lever in front of your left hand. In order to start moving, squeeze the lever in, shift into first gear, and then smoothly ease the clutch out until the bike starts moving. The smoother you do it, the smoother you'll start moving. Doing it too fast could make you stall. Next comes the balancing act. To start, sit up straight and sway your hips from side to side, kind of like you're dancing with your bike. Find the sweet spot where it feels stable and doesn't want to fall over. Smoothly ease the clutch out and gently twist the throttle to begin moving forward. You can keep your feet down and take a few steps if you're still working on your balance. Start out nice and slow. When you're ready to stop, squeeze the brake lever in gradually. Remember to be smooth like peanut butter as you work on quicker stops. To turn, you can either steer your front tire where you want to go if you're moving slowly, or you can lean your motorcycle by counter steering if you're going a little faster. Once you've learned how to go, stop, and turn, try shifting gears. To do this, get yourself moving, then squeeze in the clutch and shift up with your left foot. Once you hear a click sound, ease out your clutch lever and twist your throttle gently. You're now in second gear. Done riding for now? Find a good spot to park, turn off the engine, make sure to put your kickstand down, and give yourself a big pat on the back. Great job! Go get some rest, then come back and practice some more. Any tips that I missed in this video? Make sure and leave them down in the comments below to help everyone out. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep on practicing and you can achieve your goal of learning to ride a motorcycle in 2024.